To send money from Morocco to Canada. Follow this step-by-step guide. First, determine the purpose of the transfer and the amount you want to send. Consider the exchange rate and any fees associated with the transfer. Next, choose a reliable money transfer service such as a bank, online money transfer company, or a money transfer agent. Popular options include Western Union, MoneyGram, and Z Money Transfer. Research each option to compare fees, exchange rates, and transfer times. Once you have selected a service, gather the necessary information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details in Canada. You will also need to provide identification and proof of address. Visit the website or branch of your chosen service and create an account if you do not already have 1. Log in and select the Send Money option. Then enter the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. Review the transfer details, including the exchange rate, fees, and transfer time, before confirming the transaction. Pay for the transfer using a debit or credit card, or cash if you are at a physical location. You will receive a reference number to track the status of the transfer. Inform the recipient of the reference number so they can track the transfer and receive the funds. It is essential to use a reputable service to avoid scams and ensure the security of your transaction. Be aware of the exchange rates and fees to get the best value for your money. Finally, keep the reference number and transfer details for your records.